Azure DDoS protection offers robust features to safeguard your applications and resources. Let's unpack some of the key features offered by the Azure DDoS protection. Azure DDoS protection seamlessly integrates with Azure and is easily configured through the Azure portal. So protection is built right into your cloud environment. With simple setup, Azure DDoS protection activates instantly and will safeguard all your Azure resources with minimal effort. Azure DDoS protection continuously monitors your traffic in real time and compare it to threshold defined in your DDoS policy. It tracks actual traffic against these predefined thresholds. If traffic suddenly spikes beyond the safe limits, Azure DDoS protection kicks in automatically to block the attack. Once the traffic settles back within a safe limits, mitigation stops on its own. During mitigation, traffic to the protected resource is rerouted through Azure DDoS protection, where it undergoes a series of checks. Checks such as packet integrity ensures packets are valid and conform to internet standards and block any malformed ones. Checks such as traffic legitimacy uses methods like SYN authentication or sync cookies to confirm the source and help filter out spoof packets. And in cases where specific checks aren't possible, DDoS protection rate limits suspicious traffic to reduce the load as well. Using Azure DDoS, attack traffic is dropped, while legitimate traffic is forwarded to your application. Within minutes of detection, Azure Monitor sends notifications and you can configure logging to capture these details for future analysis. Metric data in Azure Monitor is kept for 30 days and can provide insights into traffic patterns and any potential attacks. Azure DDoS protection intelligently adapts to protect each customer's unique traffic patterns in real time. Instead of a one-size-fits-all policy, Azure DDoS protection learns the usual traffic behavior for each customer's public IP address. This customization helps detect abnormal patterns that might signal an attack, even if they fall below the default global trigger thresholds. With Azure's large-scale infrastructure, DDoS protection can absorb significant amounts of legitimate traffic and reduce the chances of mistakenly flagging normal traffic spikes as attacks. This minimizes interruptions for customers while still providing powerful defense against increasingly complex multi-vector attacks. This adaptive approach ensures that Azure DDoS protection dynamically fine-tunes its defenses to each application's specific traffic profile and keep legitimate traffic flowing smoothly while blocking attacks. By using Azure DDoS protection during an attack, you can receive detailed reports every 5 minutes plus a comprehensive summary once the attack ends, which can provide insights into the attack's nature and scale. Azure DDoS protection offers comprehensive visibility and control through the Azure Monitor tool and enable you to track attack metrics, set alerts, and analyze log. DDoS protection provides in-depth telemetry, which you can view in Azure Monitor. Alerts can be configured for any relevant metric and allow you to stay informed during attacks. You can integrate DDoS logs with external tools like Splunk via Azure Event Hubs, as well as Azure Monitor Logs and Azure Storage for advanced data analytics through the Azure Monitor Diagnostic Interface. For each protected public IP, Azure DDoS protection uses 3 auto-tune policies tailored for sync, TCP, and UDP traffic. These policies, which are dynamically configured through the machine learning, trigger mitigation only when attack traffic exceeds specific threshold. If a public IP is under attack, the metric under DDoS attack or not changes to a value of 1, signaling that mitigation is active. It's recommended to set up alerts on this metric to receive immediate notification during an active attack, which allow you for timely response and further investigation. These features give you powerful real-time insight and control over your DDoS defense and help you ensure that your applications remain available and resilient. For application layer attacks, especially those targeting web resources, a web application firewall is essential to protect your web applications. A WAP examines incoming traffic and helps block threats like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, DDoS, and other layer 7 attacks. Azure offers built-in WAP as part of the Azure Application Gateway and provides a centralized layer of protection against common web vulnerabilities and security risks. For even more tailored solution, Azure Marketplace includes additional WAP options from partner vendors and allow you to select the best fit for your security needs. This added protection ensures a robust defense against application-specific threats and improves the overall security posture of your applications. To recap, these Azure DDoS features work together to provide continuous protection, quick response to threats, and actionable insights during and after an attack. This will ensure your applications stay available and secure.